For more great recipes and video tips, hit the bell icon once you're subscribed and never miss a video from Recipes Are Simple. Hey everybody, today we're making a super simple and quick coleslaw. We all love to have coleslaw along with our favorite fast foods, be it fried chicken, fried fish, spaghetti. It all seems a bit healthier if you have a side dish of coleslaw, doesn't it? Well, it's really easy to make at home, and this is one of our favorite recipes for that particular favorite fast food kind of coleslaw. So here we have 200 grams of regular green cabbage. If you have Napa cabbage, you can use that as well. We also have one small to medium carrot. Use this according to your preference. If you use a medium-sized carrot, obviously your coleslaw is going to be more orange in color. So we're going to chop all of this up roughly, and then we're going to first add the carrot into a food processor. I'm using a small mini processor here. And after processing briefly, our carrot looks like it's been finely chopped. That's the look that you're looking for. Now after this, we're going to add our cabbage and process again briefly. And you want to process just for a couple of seconds and keep checking on it because you do not want to over chop your cabbage and carrot. This is the texture that we're looking for the type of coleslaw that we're making. And of course, if you prefer to grate this all by hand, by all means, go ahead. It just takes more time. So okay, we're going to add 3 tablespoons, and that's 3 generous tablespoons of Hellmann's or Best Foods mayonnaise. Give it a good stir, and if you feel the need for some more creaminess, you can add 1 more tablespoon of mayonnaise. That should do it, so it looks nice and creamy. To this, we're going to add 1½ teaspoons of sugar, 3/4 of a tablespoon of distilled white vinegar, a tablespoon of water, give it a good stir. It's beginning to look really good now. And we can add salt to taste. I'm adding less than ½ teaspoon here. So that's it, our super simple and yummy coleslaw. It goes well with so many dishes. And it really is so simple to make at home, isn't it? Serve this with your fried chicken, fried fish, spaghetti, or just about anything. We love our coleslaw. So thanks for watching and see you next time.